Hi guys, so I'm coming to you guys with a natural hair rant today. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my hair, what I'm doing with my hair. So yeah, I've been natural for 7 years, yes. So my hair isn't like down my back because I cut my hair so many times. The middle of my hair I had a problem growing, so I just am stubborn and I'm on a journey for healthy hair, not long hair, okay? Well, now I'm on a journey for long hair, but I was on a journey for healthy hair for a long time because that's what's important to me. I went natural because I always seen pictures of people with these big, beautiful afros, and my hair is just not that. So I just wanted to go natural at a young age. I actually went natural when I was in like 11th grade or 10th grade, and then I went through a hair show and all this other stuff, and then I cut my hair off in 12th grade. So I had like a baldy when I was in 12th grade, and I was completely fine with that because it's something I always wanted to do. I wanted to grow my hair, my natural hair, out big and full and long. Now I'm on a hair growth journey and I want to document this. So some things I have changed to grow my hair. Tips for how I've been growing my hair out. I started washing my hair a lot more. I didn't used to wash my hair with shampoo because I went through the whole co-wash phase that we all go through, and I thought that was the only thing I had to do, so I was co-washing like crazy. So I went back to washing my hair with shampoo, and that has been a huge game changer for me. I've seen significant growth in my hair. So yeah, I wash my hair a lot more, so that's one. So two, when I'm washing my hair, I wash my hair with hot water, low porosity. So I wash my hair with hot water. That has helped my hair tremendously as well because I'm actually getting products into my strands and they're not sitting on top and slipping off. And I'm not wasting my money. So hot water is huge. 3, when it actually comes to putting products in my hair, I use shea butter now. Shea butter was my best friend when I first went natural, and my hair was growing so long. So shea butter is a huge change in my regimen that has helped my hair's health and length. Number 4, so with all of these things, I make sure I smooth my products in, my shampoo, my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, my deep conditioner, whatever I'm putting in my hair, I'm smoothing it in. I use like the raking method and I use the praying hand method. Raking my fingers in my hair is a huge change. I'm low porosity, so my cuticles are closed. Like I have to make sure that I'm thoroughly getting my products in there or else they'll just sit on top. So 5, I think I'm at 5. So 5, I massage my scalp a lot more now just to get that circulation going up there, and especially in my problem area. My protective styles, I love my hair. I love it. So however I put my hair up, I'm going to love it, okay? As long as it's like in place, I'll lay my edges. I like to wear my hair natural and natural styles. Yeah, I don't like to wear my fro out too much because that dries your hair, and yeah, it was not the remove for me. When you go to sleep, like your hair is rubbing on, your afro is rubbing on your pillow and your hair is just breaking off, okay? So protective styles are huge. Number 6 is to try to make sure I wrap my hair every night. Wrap my hair every night is so important. 7 is rice water treatment. So I just dropped a video of me doing a rice water treatment, so go check that out. Okay, so now I'm going to put some water in this bowl. I'm going to switch this around so I can get at least like the chemicals off the top. Super cloudy, which is good. I did a good rinse. So I'm going to pour this out. Put some new water in. I'm going to let this soak for half an hour. And then I will be back to put it into a spray bottle. That simple to make rice water, guys. Yeah, rice water treatments are so important for me. Well, period, because it's protein. So I don't like to use too much protein, but I like to, protein treatments, you need to pay attention to your hair when your hair needs protein. Okay? So, like, my rice water, I can use that every day because I made a leave-in this time. So I can use that every day until I feel like my hair is strong enough. It's only good for 7 days anyway. So I'll probably just use it for like my 7 days. And my hair will probably be back to its strength and not as mushy and soft as it is right now. So we're going to see how long my hair gets. I'm excited to like document this and yeah, see my progress and encourage myself and encourage you guys to take care of your hair. I love you, my natural loves. Peace and love. Like, comment, and share. See you next video.